Hey guys, Miles again with Elixir support. We're going to be going over the Whispers button today, the mail envelope button, the envelope button if you want to call it that, but this is the Whispers tab. This is going to be a quick video. This is very simple. What this is this is your inbox of all of your Whispers you receive. You can view them here. You can respond to them here. Test, send it. So that person just received test from me. We can go back and see, I just sent this person test. I can delete the message and I can open this one up again, open up his Twitch channel page. Open up the channel page, open up his Twitch page. We can follow from here and we can add him to the lurk list from here. This is a super clean way to manage your Whispers and just keep track of what's going on. There's not many different uses for this tab. The whole idea is to help keep things clean and keep things, new. We want people to have every possible feature they could ever need as a streamer in this program. And that's what we're going for. So, like I said, this would be a really quick video. It's a very simple tab. Back arrow, menu options. Once again, you send your messages here. And it's as simple as that, and that covers the Whispers button. This is Miles again with Elixir support. You can check us out on our website at streamelixir.com. You can hop on our Discord. You can get the Discord link on our website. If you need anything, feel free to post in the comments. Look in the description below the video, and feel free to message us at any time. Any questions you may have, we are open to answer. And I hope everyone has a great day. I hope everyone has a great stream. And I'll see you later. Until next time.